Okay. So, what these different types of IPs are there? Patent, trademark, copyright, industrial design. These are the 4 very important IPs. In one sense, I'm just talking in a dispute kind of, because this focus of this course is on a dispute. You can say more like case laws or more kind of a disputes are around these 4 IPs. Then there is a geographical indication, then there is a protection of plant varieties farmers right, then there is a semiconductor integrated circuit layout design, and then the trade secret, right. So, these 4 other types are there. So, total 8 types of IPs are there, and these 8 type of IPs we are like focusing, whole this course will focus on these 8 types of IPs and disputes related to that. And as I have mentioned you that this first 4, that is patent, trademark, industrial design and copyright, you will see much more kind of a, I will say that much more awareness is there, much more kind of a people are aware about their rights and they are going for enforcing that rights, and you will see the case laws related to that more.